Okay, so what we're going to do today is install Libby, which is the app that's associated with Library2Go on an Android phone. And the process is super similar if you're using an iPhone. I don't have one here to do an example, so we're gonna just do this. All right, so we open the Play Store, and what you wanna search for is Libby by Overdrive. We're gonna hit install, and it's gonna install super quick because the library's Wi-Fi is really speedy. All right, so now we're gonna open up the app. This is the main page. We're gonna hit this guy in the top right corner. We're gonna add a library. When we search for Harney County Library, it's the Oregon Digital Library Consortium. All right, we're gonna add a library card. And so we want Leo Listens, the Library of Eastern Oregon, and the card number is on the back of your physical library card. All right, so the PIN number, unless you've changed it, is the last 4 digits of the phone number that you registered your library account with. Okay, so here you have the option to rename the card. So let's say you're a parent and you have a couple kids that want to check out audiobooks and you're all using the same device. You could name that one, and then you could add another card. It's as simple as that. I hope you found this helpful.